So, with that, Miss Bomas's second grade, are you ready?
What's my line? Today we are going to tell you 2 stories about mouse deer. Wait a minute, did you say mouse deer? That's right. I never heard of a mouse deer, did you? Not me. Was he a mouse? No. A deer? No. Hey, are you trying to trick us? No, he's a real animal. Yeah, and how big is he? About as big as a cat. And where does he live? In the jungles of Asia and Africa. And what does he look like? His legs and tail look like a deer's. Well, all right. But his face and body look like a mouse's. You are trying to trick us. It's true. That's why he's called mouse deer. Well, maybe we believe you. Tell us some more. Mouse deer eats only plants, but lots of animals eat mouse deer. To stay alive, it has to be quick and smart. It also has to be tricky, just like Ananashi, the Spider-Man from Africa. Mouse deer even play some of the same tricks. You know what I think? I think you're the tricky one. Me too. That's right. No, I'm not. There are lots of stories about mouse deer. And I bet you want us to believe they're true. Of course they are. All stories are true, even if they didn't happen. Huh? Mouse deer has its own song too, and you can help us sing it. Here's how it goes. I'm quick and smart as I can be. Try and try, but you can't catch me. I'm quick and smart as I can be. Try and try, but you can't catch me. Good. Now we're ready to go.
Oh, so we're ready. Okay. What's my line?
Mr. Jane, I'm sorry, but you're not in our assembly.
What? I'm in all the assemblies this year. Are you sure?
This story is called Mouse Deer and the Tiger. Ready to sing? I'm quick and smart as I can be. Try and try, but you can't catch me. The mouse deer sang their song as they walked through the forest. They were looking for tasty fruits, roots, and shoots. They're very small, they are not afraid, and that many big animals might eat them. But first they had to catch the mouse deer. Then they heard something. Roar! Hello, mouse deer. We're just getting hungry. Now you can be our lunch. The mouse deer didn't want to be lunch. They looked around and stopped fast. They saw a mud puddle. I'm sorry, Tiger, we can't do much. The king has ordered us to guard his pudding. His pudding? Yes, there it is. It has the best taste in the world. The king doesn't want anyone else to eat it. I would like to taste the king's pudding. Oh no, Tigers. The king would be very angry. Just one little taste, please. The king will never know. Well, all right, Tigers. But first, let us run far away so no one will blame us.
All right, mouse dear.
You can go now. Scram! Imagine the king's pudding. Yup, up, left. That's no Mouse dear, you tricked us once. But now you will be at lunch. The master spied a wasp nest in the tree. I'm sorry, Tiger, we can't be at lunch. The king has ordered us to guard his drum. His drum? Yes, there it is. It has the best sound in the world. The king doesn't want anyone else to hit it. I would like to hit the king's drum. Oh no, Tiger. The king would be very angry. Just one little hit, the king will never know. Well, alright, Tigers. But first let us run far away so no one will know. Alright, Mouse dear. You keep going now. Run, run! The mouse deer ran quickly at his height. Imagine the king's drum. He reached up and hit it. Pow! The wasps all flew out. They started to sting the tigers. Ouch! Ooch! Eek! That's silly. That's no drum. That's a wasp nest. The tigers ran away, but the wasps followed them. The tigers came to a stream. They jumped in, splashed, and they stayed out of the water as long as they could. At last, the wasp went away. Then the tigers jumped down. They ran through the forest until they found the mouse. Mouse dear, you tricked us once. You tricked us twice. But now you would be at lunch. The mouse deer looked around and thought fast. They saw a cobra. The giant snake was coiled asleep on the ground. I'm sorry, Tigers, we can't be at lunch. The king has ordered us to guard his bell. His bell? Yes. There it is. It's the best bell in the world. The king doesn't want anyone else to wear it. I would like to wear the king's bell. I bet it would fit me. Oh no, Tigers. The king would be very angry. Come on, just let us try it off for what's wrong with him. Well, the king will never know. Well, alright, Tiger. But first let us run far away, so no one will blame us. Alright, Mouse dear. You can go now. Run! What? Look. Look at it, it's magnificent. The tiger started to wrap the bell around her body. The cobra woke up. Ouch! Help! It didn't wait for the tigers to finish wrapping. It wrapped itself around the tiger. And then it squeezed. It bit. Ow! Ouch! Help! Yo, that's no go. That's a cobra! But the mouse deer were far away. And as they went, they sang their song. Listen, can you hear them? I'm quick and smart as I can be. Try and try, but you can't catch me. take a drink. But they knew the crocodiles might be waiting underwater to catch their lunch. The master had an idea. I wonder if the water is warm. I'll put my leg in and find out. Wait a minute, stop the story. Mouse Deer said she put her leg in the river water? That sounds like a dumb idea. I thought Mouse Deer were supposed to be smart. But Mouse Deer didn't want to put her leg in the water. Instead, she picked up a stick with her mouth and put it on one end. The crocodile grabbed the stick and pulled it underwater. Hey, don't laugh at me. Silly crocodile. Don't you know it's big from a leg? I ran off and then somewhere else. Another day, the master went back to the river. All they saw was a floating log. But they knew the crocodile looked like a log when he floated. The master had an idea. If that log is really a crocodile, it won't talk. But if it's really a log, it will tell us. Told everything. Mouse Deer said crocodile would be quiet, but log would say something. Now that's really dumb. It sure is. But then the Mouse Deer listened. A rough voice said, I'm really just a log. Silly crocodile. Don't you think a log can talk? There they go again. Another day, the Mouse Deer wanted to cross the river. They wanted to eat tasty fruit and roots and shoots on the other side. I could really use a snack. Me too, and that's would be best friends. Well, they didn't want crocodiles to eat it first. The Mouse Deer had an idea. Crocodile! I don't believe this. They called for a crocodile? How dumb can they get? But then the Mouse Deer rose from the water. Hello, Mouse Deer. I'm coming to be our breakfast. Not today, crocodile. We have orders from the king. The king wants us to count all the crocodiles. The king, tell us what to do. You must line up from one side of the river to the other side. The crocodiles got all their friends and family. Line up, everybody, nose to tail. The Mouse Deer jumped onto the first crocodile's back. 1. They jumped onto the next crocodile. 2. And the next 3. They kept jumping until they jumped off. On the other side of the river. How many are there? Just enough. And they're all silly. Just listen to them. They're singing that song again. I'm quick and smart as I can be. Try and try, but you can't catch me. I'm quick and smart as I can be. Try and try, but you can't catch me.
Didn't they do a terrific job? Thank you. We have been working in a theme this month that is other countries, other lands. And so we've been reading a lot of myths and folk tales and legends from other places around the world. So we thought this would be a good one to present since it is a folk tale from Southeast Asia and from Africa. Let's give one more round of applause. I do have a few thank yous. I really like to thank our tech crew, Ms. Smith, and we had Tatum and Anisha and Izzy and Marissa. You guys were great help. Thank you so much. Thank you, parents, for helping with the lines and with the costumes and with our cast party. Thank you, Mr. Drain, for being a part of our assembly in a non-art way. Thank you very much for coming.